Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube video where we dive into the wonderful world of gardening for beginners. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a small balcony, this guide will provide you with the essential tips and insights to help you embark on your gardening journey. From selecting plants to understanding basic techniques and caring for your garden. Get ready to cultivate your garden thumb and witness the joys of nurturing nature. Number 1. Start small and plan ahead. For beginners gardeners, it's crucial to start small and plan your garden carefully. Assess your available space, sunlight exposure, and soil conditions. Determine what plants are suitable for your location and take into account your time and commitment level. Begin with a few easy to grow plants or even herbs in containers, raised beds, or small garden plots. By starting small, planning ahead, you shall gain confidence and experience that will set up for success in expanding your gardening endeavors. Number 2. Selecting the right plants. Choosing the right plants for your garden is vital for beginners' success. Consider plants that are well suited to your climate, sunlight availability, and soil conditions. Opt for hardy and low maintenance plants that are forgiving beginners' mistakes. Annual flowers, herbs like basil and mint, and vegetables like tomatoes and lettuce are great options for beginners. Consult with local gardening experts or use online resources to learn more about suitable plant varieties for your region. Remember, the right plant selection will make your gardening experience more enjoyable and rewarding. Number 3. Mastering basic techniques. Understanding and mastering basic gardening techniques is essential for beginners. Learn proper watering practices, ensuring plants receive adequate moisture without overwatering. Familiarize yourself with proper planting depth, spacing, and soil preparation techniques. Discover the art of weeding and mulching to maintain a healthy and weed-free garden. Embrace pruning and deadheading to promote growth and enhance the appearance of your plants. As you gain experience, experiment with techniques such as composting, propagation, and seed saving. Building a strong foundation in basic gardening techniques will serve you well as you advance in your gardening journey. Number 4. Caring for your garden. Regular care and attention are crucial for a thriving garden. Monitor your plants for signs of pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies and take appropriate measures to address them. Stay consistent with watering and fertilizing schedules. Provide support such as stakes or trellises for plants that need it. Remove spent flowers and prune as needed to encourage new growth. Take time to appreciate and enjoy your garden by spending time outdoors, observing the changes and connecting with nature. Remember, gardening is a continuous learning process. So embrace the journey and don't be afraid to ask for advice or seek guidance along the way. Conclusion. Gardening is a fulfilling and rewarding activity that brings us closer to nature. As a beginner, by starting small, selecting the right plants, mastering basic techniques, and caring for your garden, you shall embark on an exciting journey of growth, knowledge, and the joy of nurturing life. So grab your gardening tools, put on your gloves, and let the magic of gardening unfold. Thank you for watching our video.